How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Mattroise here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Eggnog from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. The holiday season is upon us, and there's no better way to enjoy the holidays than to enjoy your favorite holiday treats and snacks. One of my favorites is eggnog. Now, of course, regular eggnog is loaded with sugar and carbs, but this keto-friendly version has not 1 gram of sugar in it, and it's just as delicious. All right, without further ado, let me show you how to make this keto-friendly eggnog. All right, what you're gonna need is 1 can of coconut milk, 6 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 dash of cinnamon, 1/3 cup of Swerve keto sweetener. You can also add some bourbon if you like, or you can keep it a virgin drink. You're going to add the coconut milk and the egg yolks, the vanilla extract, and the cinnamon to a medium saucepan. Put it on low to medium heat and stir the ingredients together. Make sure to keep stirring to temper the eggs. Once the mixture has been combined thoroughly, add the sweetener to the mix. And continue to stir until everything is combined. Continue to stir so the eggs are tempered. So the eggs are cooking very low. As you can see, the mixture has thickened up thoroughly. Now it's time to take it off the burner and allow it to cool. Now for a taste test. Cheers, mate. That is delicious. It tastes just like eggnog without the sugar, without the carbs. The consistency is spot on. It's absolutely delicious. Now keep in mind, this eggnog is also quite calorically dense, but it doesn't have the processed sugar or carbohydrates. It's as natural as you're gonna get on keto, and it tastes amazing. Now, if you want a more rich and decadent flavor, you could substitute the coconut milk for heavy cream, and it'll probably be even more decadent than this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're gonna enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night and happy holidays. Mattroise signing out.